Let's go.
So hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Hopefully you can see me getting the hang of my camera, and I couldn't be more happier. So what I have here for you today is, of course, a wig review, but not any wig. So the hot topic on the street is headband wigs. So this is a headband wig from Niawigs.com. If you don't know, this is my first time ever hearing about them. They reached out to me, which I couldn't be more happy about, and they gave me a wig to review for you. I've never done headband wigs before. This is my first and ultimate first headband wig review, so I'm extremely happy about it. As you can see, it's still in the plastic and the boxing is very cute. So I do love that about this company. You know, they ship DHL, which is just a regular plastic package in a bag. So, you know, yeah, it got to me really fast. I just talked to the person a couple of days ago, and it showed up on my doorstep today. So we're gonna go ahead and do it. Oh, and my top is from Femula's Finery. So really cute watermelon top. Yeah, let's kind of cut it open and let me just stop blabbing on. So the reason why I have this headscarf on is because I have my hair in a ponytail. I can't talk today. I don't know. My mind is everywhere. I have my hair pulled back in a ponytail, so that's the reason why I have this headpiece on. As you can see, it's really cute. All it is a nice satin stay-on head cap. When you believe it, I have the, what's the name here? And I'm going to take that off. So this is the box, and I'm trying to figure out where do you open it. Alright, so here we are. This is the box. This is the wig, and of course it comes with 4 headbands. So again, it's a headband wig, and it comes with 4 multicolored headbands, so you can switch out and change. One thing I do like, the idea of you know, headband wigs, it's quick and easy to go. Unlike your lace, you gotta lay it down with the glue. For those who don't know the method of not using glue, you know, they don't have the issue. With me, I gotta use the glue for super hold and all that other stuff, so I learned the rest. So this is the wig. Of course, I got it in, I believe, 22 inches. So this is the wig. Really cute. No, 24 inches, natural black headband, non-lace wig. And I believe this is the silky straight. So hard to get it out the bag. Ooh, I like the feeling of this hair. So as you can see, straight out the tag, this is 100% human hair, by the way, if I didn't tell you. Now you know, 100% human hair. I gotta give that little tidbit so I can make a little quick video. So if you see me pausing for the calls, that's why. So this is the headband wig. This is the wig. This is the inside, a mesh dome cap from what I can see with lace. It has 4 combs. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 4 combs with adjustable straps. It has this Velcro strap to secure the wig, I guess, to secure the headband, but you can also use the straps if you want to. I don't think I will, being that there's this Velcro strap. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put it on. Okay, so I'm going to put it on my hair. I'm going to take this off. As you can see, my hair is slicked back. I don't have no cap, which I feel like I need, you know, to kind of, you know, secure my hair, save my hair. I still like saving my hair, right? Headband wig. Okay, so this is the wig on, and I'm gonna say this. I don't know how I personally feel about headband wigs because one, my forehead is huge. As you can see, my forehead is huge. And this may look cute with some baby hair. Okay, I'm gonna give my honest opinion. It's really cute. Very non-high maintenance. I love the length of the hair. Can I see myself wearing this every day when I don't want to put a wig on my head? Yes. Okay. Yes, I can. So one thing I do love about this is it comes with extra headbands. So I'm gonna try these on and then I'm gonna come back and give my full review. Okay.
And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. But baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby, I'm late, but I take a check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know I wouldn't wanna bleed in my heart, my mind, my body. We got London on the track. I am off on other options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. But baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby, I'm late, but I take a check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know I wouldn't wanna bleed in my heart, my mind, my body. My body.
It's a really beautiful wig. This is 24 inches. It's a headband wig. If you don't know, it's been the talk of the town. It's been around for a long time from what I heard, but I have not heard about it. This is my first time ever trying it. And will I say it is a great a tribute to have to your wardrobe? Yes. When it comes to hair, yes, it's a quick go-to wig, which I will be using a lot more, besides putting on my lace front wigs that I love so much. If I need to go somewhere like the store or anything like that, I will pull from this one. I will definitely pull this one, and the hair is beautiful. Now it does have a few snags every now and then, but from what I've learned, you know, having wigs over the years, course of my lifetime, long wigs are going to snag, whether human or synthetic, but this is 100% human hair, 24 inches as I say again. It has 4 combs, adjustable straps. I do recommend having braids because, let me tell you the reason why. It's going to slip. A lot of times while I was doing this video and doing the little styles, the wig was slipping back because I don't have braids to actually give that extra secure hold. So when you're having headband wigs, you're gonna definitely need some braids. So I would recommend doing braids, and like you can just do braids in the center of your head and leave some hair out. That way you can put the rest, pull back in a ponytail, and it gives off that natural look. Or you can just do braids completely on the entire of your head and just have the headband pulled all the way up to the front as I do. I learned that headbands, wigs look better on me because I have a bigger forehead when it's pushed up, okay? And a little bit of head showing, all right? Another thing is you're gonna have to hide this band. The best way to kind of do that, which I didn't show you guys, is you're gonna have to fold this band underneath, fold it and pull it all the way up a little bit more. That way you can hide the band. But I was just, you know, so eager to put on the wig. But as you can see, it's so versatile for it to be a headband wig. You can put it up in a ponytail and nobody will ever know. You know what I'm saying? The Velcro in the back, it'll just look like a second headband. So I love that about that. I do love the Velcro, but I definitely love that they added adjustable straps. They added 3 ways to secure this wig. So I really love that, you know, just in case the Velcro dies, you know what I'm saying? That's another thing. What happens when the Velcro dies? Because the Velcro does get old. I wonder, we'll work that out when we get there. But until then, this is a great idea. I mean, I've never heard of it, and I'm actually excited about it because this is beautiful. The headbands they give you, the gray, and you can go buy more headbands. You can put your own headbands with this. That's what I love about this as well. You can put your own headband with this, okay? Never feel like you're gonna miss out. No, you can put a diamond headband on it, and if it's thick, you can do this, you know, the little headbands, the cotton headbands. I thought this pattern was really pretty. So was the tie-dye. I'm going to buy a dress like this, and I'm going to rock this wig with the dress that's kind of tie-dye like this. You're gonna see. And I'm gonna rock this wig. Look at it. I mean, it's beautiful. It's perfect. So I love the gray headband too. This is mostly my favorite besides the tribal headband. So I love all of them. I love all of them. And I just love the wig in general. Does the wig curl? It definitely does. It's 100% human hair. And if you know anything about 100% human hair, it all curls. I don't know necessarily if you can dye it. That's something I would have to ask the company. And when I do, I'll definitely put it in the description box below so that you know. But I wouldn't definitely dye this. I would not dye this. Don't dye it. It looks perfect in the natural black that it comes in. I love the length. I just love that it has so much body. I'm thinking the density is about 150, which you can't go wrong with when you're doing headband looks because you don't want that bulkiness at the top. Do recommend that you don't have a ponytail in the back, so you can't really tell because there's a whole lot of hair. But if this was a thinner wig, you could definitely tell. So have you know, your hair braided down. Definitely have your hair braided down. But to sum up this wig, I love it. Okay, this is a wig I'm happy and proud to have with my stash of wigs because Lord knows I have so many. So I'm definitely excited and happy to add this to my collection of wigs. So will I tell you to go get it from Niawigs? Will I tell you it's worth it? It's 100% worth it, baby. I'm talking about you can flat iron this wig, you can curl this wig. It's the wig that just put on and go and you just still look like a baddie. And even when I take this makeup off, it's still legit, okay? So yes, Niawig gets a thumbs up from Mrs. Moscato. So it's been fun, it's been real. Do follow me on my Instagram and my Facebook, but majority my Instagram at Tamika_Moscato. please be sure to show your support. Show me that you love me as much as I love you guys. If you do support, I see it and I love it and I appreciate it. So if you would go over there and do that, hit this bell button for future content. I mean, like I said, I do videos every other week or every 2 weeks because I have a life outside of here. Haven't made this my full-time job, but just might do that. Might got some stuff coming for you. I did make my little daughter and a mini influencer. So if you haven't already, please go check out our video over on my Instagram. Run me up. You know what I'm saying? I love you guys and I miss y'all. So it's been fun, it's been real. I shall catch you in the next one.